Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Bitcoin just dropped, Ethereum dropped. As I warned yesterday, we dropped from 64,000 to 58,000. Diamond the people talking here still hasn't broke, and we just had this huge drop. Look, I said yesterday, how cool. I warned everyone, and exactly as predicted. Market cap 2.13 trillion. Fear, we've gone back into fear on this drop. Funding fee negative, Bitcoin 59,300. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades yesterday are close to activating where I put the trades before the drop. Congratulations. A lot of you went short. A lot of you thanking me. Congratulations. We saved a lot of money on that drop. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And we just had huge drops on the market. Bitcoin coming down. My target of this rising wedge is 54K. We came down to a big support at 57K. Let's go into the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. Quite hard drop. Stochastic turning down. Bitcoin indicator bot still a blue buy. It fired in 2023. That was the Guru bot. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell yesterday. It hasn't fired a buy yet. And we got that huge drop. Let's go closer into the daily. And the daily candle, stochastic heading down. Big drop down out of that rising wedge that I said yesterday that I saw. And then I got worried and I closed everything. Builds pressure and breaks down. The target of this breakdown is the base of the wedge, of the rising wedge, 54K. Now I got to check where we have we had a huge support here at 57K was one huge support, big one at 54K. But let's look at where the main support is actually on the weekly. Main support on the weekly. I just want to get rid of the drawings just so I can see everything. Main support on the weekly is there, 50. That's the strongest support. 52,224. But I've got actually trades here at 53, but it looks like 52. Even the time before we came down to 48, that's the major area of support, 48. We have one also here at 53. Bull flag still, but huge drop, but that's still in the longer term. We have this big bull flag. Let's uncover. So those are the supports. We have this still big bull flag. I already had those supports. We're still in that big bull flag though, so we have to see what happens. Let's go into the daily. 54 is my target of this drop. 48K and 48K also major supports. Let's go closer into the 4-hourly. Playing out as I predicted and warned everyone. We've got a big drop into supports. 54 still a good buy. We came all the way to 58. Huge sells on that drop, actually. Let's go closer. You can see it was two massive sells that brought us down. Some kind of news. Someone dumped. We can see on Binance how much. This came after the announcement that Binance is confiscating crypto from the Palestinians. Any Palestinian person is losing their crypto on Binance. And then we had, 4,000, almost a 10,000 Bitcoin sell into that dump. Now, I try to find the bottom based off Binance. I go into the 1 minute chart. This is when we drop to 57, and you can see it should be in the thousands of Bitcoin. To prop up the price, you need thousands of Bitcoin buys to come in. So we had 395 on the 1 minute, 585, 383, 236. That marked the short-term bottom, and then we got this big bounce. From 59, we went all the way to 58 and bounced to 59. On previous bottoms, we had a lot more volume. If you look at so let's go into the 15 minute to tell the bottom. We've got two candles here. We've got 2,700 and 2,200 candles. And if we go to another bottom, let's find another place where Bitcoin spiked down and liquidated and bottomed out here. And on this bottom, we had 1,100 Bitcoin bought and sold to mark the bottom. And this one, we had 1,100 and 675. But this time, we had 2,700. Ooh, so big sells. Could be the bottom. But usually, it looks like a bear flag. Let's go back into the 4-hourly. Still that rising wedge. Target is clear, 54k. Big support here, 56. Should I start laddering in or should I wait to 54k? The last time I should have waited, but that was a quick drop. I wasn't expecting it to be so fast, like boom, straight away it dropped after I warned about it. Let's go into the next day this time. Let's go into Ethereum. I want to check all the charts. I've got buys on Ethereum. Remember yesterday I set buys at Ethereum broke down, come very close to my buy target. 2,300 was where I set buys. And we came down to 2,381. I had buys at 2,316. Big support on Ethereum. If we go into the weekly, the major area of support, one here, 2,300. Major support again at 2,000. 2,030 is a major support. It's very close to activating my trades on Ethereum. Let's go over to Bybit. So on Bybit, I didn't lose much in my account yesterday. 609. I sold at 611 yesterday. Still a little bit of a drop, but boom, after I sold. Remember everyone? Cool trades. I want to show you on spot. This is on Bitcoin. Let's check out. Look at my Ethereum. Look at that. I bought Ethereum at 2,098, 93, and then yesterday I warned everyone at 2,700 I sold. So 2,093 and then sold. And then we spiked down to 2,300. My buys on Uniswap are sitting at 2,300 for 17 Ethereum. Let's modify it. Let's do 10 Ethereum at 2,300 because we're close. Let's buy. We came down to 2,391 was that with that spike. Let's buy 2 Ethereum right now. And then let's let 10 Ethereum activate at 2,300. Then let's let another 10 Ethereum activate at 2,098 again, where I had before. So now I've got Ethereum buys at 2,098. I've got Ethereum buys at 2,300. So 20 Ethereum, which will be 40k. Perfect. Those I'll let activate. And I bought some right now. Let's look at Uniswap. Uniswap came very close to activating. $5.40 I had the buyers activate. Again, look at my Uniswap, everyone. Bought Uniswap exactly on the... No, I sold Uniswap before the drop when I warned everyone. Bought exactly the bottom at $4.70. We bounced. I sold at $6.40 and now we're back at $5.60. And my buys on Uniswap were at $5.40. Let's go into Uniswap. Uniswap $5.60. Cool, huh? I called it and just fully dropped like straight away. Look at that. Since I called it yesterday, perfect drop. $5.40 is a big support. Where do we have big support? So we have big... I wasn't expecting it so quickly, actually. That was quite a big drop in one day. So $5.40, that's an old trade. Yesterday I put it at $5.40 my buys. There's also another major support down here on Uniswap. $5.40, $3.80, and we have another one here, $4.70 on the weekly. So $5.40, which we're very close to, we're at $5.60, $5.40, $4.70, $3.80. And all my Uniswap almost activated. It would have been 25,000 buy at this current at $5. We came down to a low of $5.59. So it's very close to activating almost all of it straight away. Wow. Okay, let's leave $5.40. Let's buy, I mean, I think it's going to drop more, to be honest. But let's buy like maybe $2,000 now. No, $5,000 currently at the current price. Called it yesterday, huh? Wow, so quickly. $5,000. I've got my buys, $25,000 at $5.40. 5 times 5,500 times 5.4 is, yeah, it's like around 5 times 25, maybe $27,000 at $5.40. And then I just activated some now, and let's get it at, I'll put another order. So $5.40, I've got 5,000, which will be 25k. And let's put another order, $4.70 and $3.80. $3.80, let's put another 5,000 quantity, which will be 20k at $3.80. And what was the other one? The other one was $4.70. Let's do another 5,000 Uniswap, which will be 23K. So I'm going to buy 5,000 Uniswap at $4.70, which will be 5 times about 25K, plus 5,000 at $3.80, which is another 25K, plus 5,000 at $5.40, which we're close to. Let's reduce this one to 3,000. Even less, because it does look like it will come down there. So 2,000. So I'll buy 2,000 Uniswap at $5.40. So I've got this set up. So 5,000 at $4.70. I just bought some a bit now. $4.70. I've got 5,000, which is 25K plus 25K, which is 50K plus 2,000. So 2, 5, 15. So it's 12,000 Uniswap times around $4. 45K. Yeah, that would be perfect buys on my Uniswap, which is beautiful. Let's go into Doge. Doge also yesterday. I sold Doge everything, and look, this is when I sold Doge yesterday. This is when I bought Doge. Here I bought it a little bit at 10 cents. I had already bought on the drop. I don't know why it's not showing here, but I had bought it on the bottom before. I had 70K yesterday. I sold it. I bought there, sold here, and then we're at 98 cents. We came down to 96 cents, which was very close. On Doge, my buys were at 73 cents. Let's go into Doge. Doge, this was on the longer term. And then I said that, so these are still my, it's very close to activating that trade actually, 94. It came very close. We came down to 96. But volume dropping off and stochastic. But we are still in this descending wedge, a massive one. But it does look like it is going to pull down. Let's go into the daily. We broke the bear flag like I warned about everyone yesterday. I said that we'd have a bear flag, and that played out. Now let's go into the weekly support. Where is massive support on Doge? Doge, we have super strong support at 74. We have also another big support here at 81. Yesterday, not so big drop on Doge, still 7%, but we went from 11 cents down to 97. The low was where we are right now, so it's still dropping more. Yeah, I would keep buys at 81 and 74. I've got at 73, 100,000 Doge, so that would be, how much is that? 73. Let's reset these because I don't know how much that is. Let's do it like Doge. So now I want to buy at 90, 81 and 74. Let's buy 81. Let's buy $10,000 at 0.081 and at 74. And the worst case on Doge, worst case scenario, is 57, 52. So I want to split it up and buy it down. So 81, 74, 53. So 81, I've got a buy order for 81 cents. Let's do 20,000, but it will drop more if it comes 20,000. Let's do $10,000 lots then. 10,000 at 81. Let's do $5,000 right now. Let's do 81, 74, 5 cents. 74. So I'll just keep it at $10,000 lot, 74. And then on the worst case scenario, 0.053. Let's do 20,000. So I've got Doge buys. Those are my Doge buys set. We've got Doge set at 50 cents, at 0.05, 0.07, and 0.08, which is like 10,000, 10,000, and then 20,000 or 30,000, which is beautiful. How much Doge did I just buy now? I've got, this is my breakdown of my account, 405 in cash. I moved to cash yesterday. MCRT I didn't sell because it's not on Coinbase or Binance, etc. Doge I sold yesterday. I just bought 5,000 more. And then I've got those buy orders for Doge at 0.053, 0.074, 0.081, which is beautiful. Okay, so I've done Doge set, Uniswap set, Ethereum set, Bitcoin set at 54. Do I nibble on Bitcoin? 6% drop, huge drop very quickly. So this is, guys, look, this is where I warned everyone and sold Bitcoin before the drop 2 weeks ago at 66. Then I bought at 48. And then I sold yesterday before the drop at 64 when I warned everyone. What an amazing, those are amazing trades, everyone. So it came down just now on Bitcoin. Bitcoin to 58. We're coming to the low again. It looks like it's going to drop to the target actually. 54. Ethereum. It dropped quite quick actually to 300. Ethereum almost activated as well. I bought some now. Let's let the rest activate on time. Also, my Bitcoin trade, I've still got set 54K. And we came down to 57,800. Let's go back into Bitcoin. Descending wedge, 54K. I'll keep it at 54K to be honest. Looks like the rising wedge is playing out exactly as I said yesterday. And I warned everyone. Let's go into your comments. And so again, I want to check my buys. Buys on Bitcoin, 54K. And then buys on spot, Uniswap, Doge. Do I have any buys on Bitcoin? Yeah, and Bitcoin at 54K here. Should I nibble on Bitcoin spot after I sold yesterday? That was quite a big drop. Sold yesterday 64, now we're at 59. Depends really how the ETFs will open. Do the ETFs open today and start buying it all up, or do we? I think we get continued drop to the target, everyone. Where do we have major support that could support it? We had one major support which we just hit now, 57. We have another major support at 56,500. Okay, let's buy half a Bitcoin at 56,500. 56,500. Half a Bitcoin. 28K. I think it will go down lower. Let's buy 0.2 at 56,500 and leave the rest of the buys at 54. We've got the 3 Bitcoin at 54, which is beautiful. Let's read your do go on underneath the video. Sign up to Bybit. You get a $60,000 bonus if you use this link. And it's my favorite exchange for trading. Crypto Master Course to learn all this. Take the courses, $333. If you took them yesterday, like you learned what I'm doing, you would save a lot. And join us in the Telegram group. There's 9,000. These are your comments from yesterday. It was funny. Look, so like a few hours ago, there was like, you are the best out there. I wanted to show you these comments yesterday. So I got a lot of comments. This is how you get wrecked. Someone said 19 hours ago, your goat is crying, man. Hi, James. Much love. Big news tomorrow again at 104K. And then he laughing. I said, need more volume to come. I was okay with the weekend being weak, but also Monday wasn't failed breakout. Dangerous. Let's see. And then prophetic 18 hours later. I like reading these. Doge target 19 cents, now 6 cents. The volume has been falling down these rising wedges. It's okay, guys. Tomorrow is 104K. I like reading these where they make fun of me. James, you're the greatest. But a lot of people now love that know that I'm doing amazing. We love you, Guru. Thank you. Only haters if you're wrong, James. You're a good man. Great work. And then you sold everything, including spot. Bro, Fed pivot coming. He's saying you shouldn't sell. Thanks, James. Learned so much watching video. Can't trade like you do to tax reasons in Australia. Many thanks once again. Try to get try to do your best with tax. You can set up trading companies and things in tax, like good tax areas. What a real hero you are, living and selling, buying advice. You're a real hero, but what a real-time great teacher you are. Hats off, keep up the good work, and thanks a lot. Thank you very much. You are the best out there. I like the way you simply explain things. Now, it seems like new all-time high, straight up final leg incoming, close this round. You're just luring in more bears to climb on their blood. After your video, I immediately went short on Ethereum, Doge, and Bitcoin. You're a mega crypto brain. That was 9 hours ago, so he would have made crazy money on that drop. Always a great call. You have no faith. And then the market drop. Looks like a good call. Thanks, James. Thank you. Last time you also noticed the drop. Great job. This is the few hours after the market drop. I wish his bullish predictions hit soon. Seems like all the bearish ones hit within 1 or 2 days. Congrats. Hug from Luxembourg. So people more celebrating after I called that drop. And same on, you can join us also on Telegram. We have a few 138 people on Ryan, 60%, 65%, 49% made gains shorting, or he longed the bounce. Bounce of 2K. Man, he closed everything on the screen. I was planning longs, but open hedges just because he closed his trade. Master, thank you, C. Congratulations. The legend, James, was right again, which is beautiful. We had big drops after that call. Let's go on to X. And this was X yesterday. I've got 87,300. My X is going crazy, by the way, everyone. Look at this, like 12 likes here, 3 people following, 16 likes. Yesterday it was like so many people. These are my notifications for the last hour. So getting crazy. I think I'm on shadow banned. This was my warning. 12,000 people saw this warning here, and 9,000 people. So it was 9,100 plus 12,000. So I had 21, almost 22,000 people watch my video yesterday. 22,000 people. Warning, sold Bitcoin, Ethereum, Uni. And that was, how many hours ago? That was 22 hours ago. And then it came us. $110 million liquidated from the cryptocurrency markets in the past 60 minutes. Not us. Called it Bitcoin. And then we had that big drop warning 22 hours ago. Simply Bitcoin back on YouTube. They were banned, and then everyone got them back online. The community bought the bottom of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Uni, made amazing profits, and sold with significant gains. That was yesterday before the drop. Woman fired for refusing COVID vaccine gets $700,000. Huge, highly bearish broadening wedge for Bitcoin target 54K. I warned everyone 11 hours ago, 6,000 people that saw that. I think I'm unshadow banned. Thank you so much, everyone. You helped me. Video now 13,000 views after 9 hours. Now 22,000 views. This many people are watching my videos every day. That many people. It's crazy. Yeah, that's my moves and my warning, which is beautiful. Should I buy some Bitcoin right now? Let's go back. I've got those buys at 54. I feel like nibbling a bit because it came so quick after I warned the drop. But the rising wedge is playing out. Let's measure it so it's exact. Yep. Could do it maybe there to be safer. Still around 54 on this rising wedge. It doesn't show yet. Let's go. Okay, let's check out. BNB didn't drop. Bitcoin dropped a lot and then just stabilizing a little bit. Interesting. Let's look at the buy volume to see what kind of buyers are propping it up. They came in, but then it's fading again. I'll leave my trades as is. That was my update in the market. And again, congratulations, all of you who took my warning yesterday. Congratulations. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Ethereum almost fully activated on the buyers yesterday after that drop. So it's very likely it comes down more and activates a lot of those trades. Uniswap almost fully activated as well. Love you all. Congratulations on the warning right again, which is beautiful, predicting it. Just that rising wedge mainly, and still on the longer term time frames, bull flag. So I'm going to be accumulating as we drop, as you saw on the buy orders. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.